Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the character AI app review to see if it worth using. So let's quickly get started. The character AI is a fun and creative app that lets you chat with AI powered character ranging from historical figure to fictional heroes, or even build your own custom personalities. It's great for roleplay, storytelling, or just casual entertainment. And features like group chat, memory for context, and premium upgrade for faster response make it feel more interactive and engaging. On the flip side, the free version can be slow during peak time, reply sometimes drift off topic, and long-time memories is still limited. There are also concerns about safety and moderation since user-made characters can slip through filters. Overall, the character AI is worth using if you're looking for entertainment and creative chat experience, but it's less reliable for serious use or younger audience. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.